How to hide active now on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can hide your active status on Instagram. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, I'm going to go ahead and then simply open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Currently, if I go ahead and go to my DMs, and you can see some of the live and some of the active people on Instagram who are on my following list. And basically, just like them, you will also show up on their feed or on their profiles that you are currently active. And how you can hide those green dots, I will simply show you. So first of all, simply go to your profile page. Once you go to your profile page, what you have to do is on the very top right hand side, tap on the three horizontal lines icon. As you tap on the three horizontal lines icon, what you want to do is tap on this first option which says settings. So go ahead and tap on settings. As soon as you tap on settings, you'll be able to see all of these options. What you have to do is simply select the option which says privacy, which is at the third option. Once you tap on privacy, you can see a bunch of different lists, but at the very bottom you'll find the section which says activity status. So go ahead and simply select activity status. Once you select activity status, you will see this option which says show activity status or to show when you're active together. What you can do is simply turn these toggles off right over here in order to hide your active status. Now keep in mind that when you turn off your own active status or active now on Instagram, you will also not be able to see whether other people are active. So for example, you can see that when I have turned this off, I will come back and go to my home page and I will tap on the DM icon at the very top. Now you can see that all of those people who are active have also disappeared. It simply means that when you turn your active status off, you will also not be able to view other people's active status. This was the way on how you can hide your active now on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.